Going on, this is Minister Gold. This is a Mx It Up tutorial on how to make a command that will return a definition of a word. Because sometimes people use words, you have no idea what they mean, and so this is a quick way to figure it out without going to like Google or something. If this video helpful and you want more Mx It Up tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, gaming, Mx It Up life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Alright, so first of all, we are on version 1.3.0.5. We'll go to commands. I have a command called define. And yeah, it's a pretty simple command. Just define for the trigger and the name. Auto include the exclamation point. It's available to everybody, anyone can use it. The first action is a web request, and it is this URL. I will post it in Ko-Fi, but I'm also just going to post it in the description, so you just copy it. Yeah, I'm too lazy to do this on Ko-Fi right now, so I will just post all of this on YouTube. But yeah, so make sure this is set to JSON to special identifiers, and you'll need this right here. Now, what you should know is this command for now, until I figure out how, will only return the first definition of any word you put in. And the reason for that is because each word, any given word that you enter, could have a different number of definitions, and I don't have a way to account for returning the exact number of definitions of any given word. So until then, we just return the first definition. And if it doesn't have a definition, it'll just return a $ word. So just heads up on that. So do web request and then a chat message. And the chat message just says 1 parentheses $ word. And that'll give you the definition. So if I use the command right now, I'll type in like define blabber. Okay, person who blabs, a tattler, a telltale. Okay, define blab. One who blabs. That's very helpful. Okay, define gossip. Someone likes to talk about other people's private or personal business. Okay, so there you go. It works. That's how you make the command. That's how you use it. And yeah, I will post everything in the description. Yeah, also one more thing. Yeah, just make sure you have the $argument1 text here, and that'll take one word. So if you have a multi-word, like a multiple word like term you want a definition for, that will not work, because that is, if you're adding a space, that counts as more than one argument. So yeah, you can only define singular words. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Mx It Up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mx It Up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. All right, see ya.